Hello, my name is Anna Cook, and I am an orchestra director in the Kansas City metro area. I'm in the Shawnee Mission School District, serving my 5th year and 7th year in education. I have been married to my husband, Ryan, for 3.5 years. My educational background, I have a bachelor's degree from Bethel College in North Newton, Kansas, in cello performance with K-12 music education certification. I'm currently pursuing my master's in educational leadership through Fort Hays State. Personal goals in the next 1 to 5 years, I hope to have started a family with my husband, and I hope to have purchased a home. Can't decide on a neighborhood we like in Kansas City. We like too many. In the next 6 to 10 years, I hope to have my student loans paid off and to keep growing my family. Beyond 10 years, it's really hard to look that far into the future, but traveling has always been a big priority with me, so continuing to travel, but with my family at that point, that will be great. My professional goals are a little bit clearer. In my next 1 to 5 years, I will have obtained my administration degree and assume more responsibility at the district and state level. I'm an orchestra director, so a lot of the responsibilities I will be assuming will first be in the orchestra world and serving as chair of our ECKMEA district convention. In the next 6 to 10 years, I hope to have assumed a few administrative roles in my current school district, with training and support from the district level to apply and learn how my administrative degree has prepared me for real-life application. Shawnee Mission does give a lot of opportunities to teachers who are pursuing administration, and so I look forward to taking advantage of those opportunities. And in beyond 10 years, I hope to have achieved a new occupation, serving as a full-time administrator in my current school district. I really love Shawnee Mission. I want to stay there, but I want to build my way up, and those are my goals. I chose Fort Hays State University because of the flexibility of the virtual courses, the wonderful reputation of the school. My first 2 years of education was out in Wilson, Kansas, so only 45 minutes from Fort Hays. That's actually where a lot of resources were provided for my students, and so I gained huge respect for the university. And there are a lot of options to pursue master's degrees here in the Kansas City area, but I chose Fort Hays because of the cost, because of the flexibility and not having to do a cohort in person once a week. It's been fantastic. My initial expectations in this program. I expect to learn a modern and progressive approach to administration and building leadership. I think one of the areas that I'm lacking in, even though I'm a younger teacher, is technology and how to utilize that. Gaining insight about tomorrow's classroom. I'm an orchestra teacher, so a lot of my daily applications of technology are limited because what we do is so performance-based. And I expect to learn a lot about the challenges that administrators face today and progressive approaches to take on those challenges successfully. Thank you.